Katya Zilberштейн, a somatic educator. I would like to tell you about the effective way to rest during the day. So during the working hours we have waves of energy. Energy goes up and then at some point energy goes down. Everyone feels that. And some people take a nap. And how to take an effective power nap? So first of all, limit your time. Put 10 minutes or 20 minutes, maximum 30 minutes, not more, because if you will rest more, you can go into the deep phase of sleep and then you can come back after this rest even more tired and with a headache, and we don't want this. So the power nap should be short, and then you can do something that would make your rest much more effective than just lying down, doing nothing, or half sleeping. So what I would recommend you to do? First of all, to relax. Start with making your space around you comfortable. Make sure that you wear comfortable clothes, that you are warm, that your body has support. You can still sit in the chair, or you can lie down on the floor or on the sofa. And then start with relaxing big muscles. So relax your belly, relax your shoulders, relax your neck, your feet, your legs, and then move into the relaxation of the face muscles. So you put your attention in the face area, and then you start to relax your forehead, relax your eyes, relax your lower jaw, relax your tongue. Notice every spot on your face that is tense, and then let it go. And by relaxing your face, you're relaxing the whole of your body. You can relax area around your ears and even scalp, and all the head and all the face is relaxed. And when you feel that you are completely relaxed your face, then the next stage, you can focus on the sounds around you and start with noticing the sounds close to you, to the right and to the left, and then further away from you, sounds on the street. I can hear the birds singing and the sea, and then even further away. So by focusing on the sounds, you are widening your attention and you give the rest for your thinking brain. And then after a few minutes of doing this, you come back to your tasks by doing some stretch movements and yawning and moving your body and looking around, noticing where are you in the time and space. And then you go back to your work and to your everyday tasks refreshed. And this rest of 10-20 minutes will give you 3-4 hours of effective work. Thank you, and see you in the next videos.